Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Clorox 2-tier electric steam sanitizer for kitchen utensils, cleaning sponges, bathroom accessories, brushes and more, kills 99.999% of bacteria. Easy to use, compact design, space-saving storage, color white. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include Clorox 2-tier steam sanitizer with 2-tier capacity. Sanitize at your convenience with fast, powerful steaming action. The Clorox 2-tier steam sanitizer kills 99.999% of bacteria in minutes. Use it to sanitize kitchen sponges, dishcloths, brushes, reusable water bottles, kitchen utensils, and more with steam. It reaches deep into fabrics, cracks and crevices for thorough sanitization, and it only needs 1.4 to 3.4 ounces, or 40 to 100 milliliter, of water to create hot, sanitizing steam. You'll be able to keep your kitchen utensils and cleaning tools sanitized and ready to use. No need to throw away your sponges too soon or use wasteful paper towels to clean up messes. Faster and uses less water than a dishwasher cycle. Simply fill the water reservoir, load items, and press start. It automatically turns off when sanitizing is complete. The versatile and adjustable 2-tier capacity lets you sanitize a variety of items, and it's easy to use. When you're finished, the space-saving nesting design fits in your cabinet for easy storage. Includes 2 tiers, 4 removable pegs, adjustable rack and steaming base. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us, and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.